Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2007 Harley Davidson Softail Deuce. This bike is in beautiful condition. Got low miles on it. It's been very well taken care of. Deuce comes with a chrome front end. You can see all of the hub assembly, everything in there looks real nice and clean. Got the acorn nuts here on the axle. Nice little touch. Good tire on the front. Don't see any kind of rust or corrosion around any of these bolts. The caliper looks real good. Front fender's in real nice shape. I didn't see any rock pecks or dings on it. Added a little fork bag up there over the headlight. It's got upgraded hand grips, chrome levers. It's got the matching pegs down here, pedals. Forward mount foot controls on the Deuce. Got the nice long slim tank and dash. This is a Badlander style seat. I'm not sure if that's the factory seat on this bike or not, but it's in excellent condition. Rear tire looks good, a lot of tread left on it. It's got the shotgun exhaust upgraded with a set of Vance & Hines slip-on mufflers. 96-inch motor, the 6-speed transmission. Got a little bit of the Live to Ride package on it there. Beautiful black cherry paint. (2007) model. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranties. You can get a 1, 2, or 3-year extended warranty on this bike. We ran it through our shop and checked it out to make sure it's ready to go, and she is in fine shape. Look at this, 2007 with 2,151 miles. Vance & Hines mufflers sound good on this bike. No engine noise or smoke or any of that stuff. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Or go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. And we sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it would be easy to get this Deuce to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.